This is the first video in a series taking you through the process of entering a patient into the stroke registry. So you've logged into the site, you're at your dashboard, you want to now click on Incidents tab. And we'll go over here and we will add an incident, stroke registry, and the date for our patient today will be today, the 25th of August. And we start, the natural movement is from left to right, so we open up here on the Prehospital EMS tab. We will go to search for an EMS run. We have a number of fields to use. I like using the date incident reported the best. However, in this case we will use a last name and a first name so that we do not see any other patient identifiable information on the next page. Search. Now in a real case, with the date especially, you would have a long list of all of the patients that were brought into your hospital. A few fields that you'll want to make specific note of are arrival date. Right here, you'll want to make sure that that arrival date matches your records, and also make note of the transfer source. Some patients may be seen by and have a record for both a transport service, a fire EMS service, and a base hospital service. So for our purposes in this registry, you'll want to be choosing their pre-hospital run from whoever was in charge or primarily serving the patient. So in most cases, it should be the fire service that will provide that run. In some cases, it will be a private service. So if you have a patient who has 3 records, all with the same arrival date, you'll want to most likely choose the fire source, and if it's just a private provider and a base hospital, you'll want to choose the private service. If you have any questions on a particular patient, please just let us know and we'll help you select the appropriate EMS run to be imported into the patient registry. In this case, I had the name, so I know exactly who I'm looking for. This is the guy. In order to import, I'm going to click on this little icon. On this screen, we're able to review the information, make sure it's what we want, and again, we can review the information, make sure it is correct. If it is not correct, we can remove this EMS run from this patient registry form. In this case, we have it correct, so we're going to go ahead and save. Save brings us back to the same page. Since we are done with this page, let's save and continue. That takes us to our next page, Arrival Info and Demographics, and we will start our second video here. If you have any questions, let us know.